Hi friends, good evening. Okay, how are you? How are you doing? Okay friends, let's come to the point. Friends, as usual friends, I'll mark high and low. I'll mark high and low of previous week. Okay, what is the previous week? High and low 23,859.90. And what is the low? Low is 23,317.10. This is the low of last week. This is the low of last week. Okay, what is the high? 21. Okay, done, got it. Now we'll close this. Okay, we will come to the daily time frame. Friends, if you see here, it has opened on gap up. It has opened on gap up. Okay, if gap up is there, how we will trade? Generally we will trade, we will mark high and low on 30 minutes time frame. Based on that, we will take trade. Generally we used to trade that way only. Okay, even see here, high, market is opened on high, we will trade same way only. If market is open on low, same way only. Okay, just remember friends, this is this point. Okay, we will see this only now, then we'll go to the daily time frame. Okay, see friends, this is the high and low. Okay, I'll mark here low. Friends, I'll mark high and low. Okay, now if this is crossed, then we will take SL order. Either this is crossed, again we will take SL order. Based on that only we will take entries. Okay, the concept remains same only. See, 30 minutes high and low we will mark, and we will come to the lower time frame, either 15 minutes or 10 minutes, whichever you are comfortable. If you ask me, 15 minutes is a clear direction. Okay, where this is the direction, everything we can see clearly on intraday. Okay, but entry should be always either 3 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes, whichever you're comfortable you can trade. Generally I'll go with 3 minutes only. Sometimes I'll go with 1 minute only. Okay, here see, nothing candle is closed here. If it comes here, easily we'll take PE side. Easily we'll take PE side. Minimum 30 points we can capture easily. 30-40 points easily we can capture here. If come here, we can take here as a entry point for PE, and this is we can keep as a stop loss. See, aram se till here we can enjoy these profits. Okay, again this is crossed here, take entry, this one again 20-30 points. Like that we can do scalping also, friends. Okay, now if you see market is opened and higher. Okay, one logic here, we will mark 30 minutes high and low. Anyhow we mark 30 minutes high and low. See, this is the low, red line is low. This is manually I marked here. Okay, manually I marked. Okay, make it, this is as a this one. Okay, I'll remove this now. Okay, I'll remove this now. Now see, market is trying to break, but again it came down here. That is the power of these lines. Friends, got it? That is the power of these lines. Okay, okay. Now here it's broke, given good rally. If you see, funds is simply doubled. So not simply doubled. It's 50% we got it profit. Sorry, it's not doubled, 50% only. Okay, that's fine. Friends, here little changes I have made. Generally what I'll do, every day 5 minutes high and low based on this candle, I'll take entry. Okay, generally 5 minutes high and low. Okay, now what I have changed here, I'll mark yesterday's day and high and low. Yesterday's high and low. See, if you see weekly, I'll do last week high and low. I'll mark it high and low on last week. Now here also, what I'm trying to do here, last week high and low I'll mark. Based on that, I'll take entry on the intraday. Okay, see, this I have done a little back test on last 2 weeks. I can see very good profit comparatively 5 minutes high and low. For that reason only I have done these changes, friends. Okay, now I'll mark high and low. I'll mark high and low of last day, previous day high and low. 23,835.65. Again 23,671. This is last week, previous week high and low. Okay, if I marked, automatically it has given everything. Okay, and see here also same logic. Market opened on gap up, then we need to mark 30 minutes high and low. Okay, high and low, based on that we can take entry. Now if you see, exactly it's trying to sustain, but it came down here. It's taken support again here only. It has taken support here, then it has rallied actually. Okay, it has rallied on intraday. Friends, see, for taking this trade easily, we will check here based on this weekly, we will take intraday entries. Last week I have not made any videos. Last week if you see, it has given very good money actually, because I didn't trade actually because of some personal works, but if you see, it has given very good money. One day what happened, it's a gap up. What I told you, mark high and low. See, 30 minutes high and low. One day gap down, again same, mark high and low, then see. Okay, previous week forecast I didn't done, but if you see, okay, if you want I'll show here. If you want I'll show here. Just a second. Okay, just for your reference, just I'm showing here. Okay, I'll make it like this. Then this week now we'll check for that week. Okay, now 23,997.45 and 23,262.55. This is the previous week high and low. Now we will see, not this, sorry, okay, for this actually. Okay, we will come to the daily time frame. See, okay, now if you see on Monday 18th, 18th, how it has given. Okay, 18th. This is 18th. Okay. Just I'm showing 1, 2. Okay. For 18th, we need to mark high and low. $23,839.30. $23,610.30. Okay. See, gap down. What I told you, mark high and low, then take entry. See, marking high and low, exactly it has taken. It has reversed from here only. Okay, it has reversed from here with big candles. Then if you see, take entry here because it went up. Take entry here. Aram se you can enjoy this almost 200 points. 200 points means at least you will get 100 points. Go to the lower time frame. Based on this entry, we can take 18th. See this how. Generally, it has retrace. What I thought, it has retrace. But breaking of big candle, then I got a confidence saying that it's going to rally. It's breaked here. Then after that, see, good move. Okay, good move. But I am not done trading here. See, given good rally, how we can check? If example this is there, this line is there here. If this is broke, but it's not go this much high, only little high it will go. Okay, that is the power of these lines actually. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you for watching videos. Thank you friends. See you. Have a nice day. We'll catch you on next day. Thank you.